Hey everybody, this is John. Welcome back to another video. I'd like to show you how you can display the relative strength line shown here on the main chart in a separate pane. Unfortunately, TradingView doesn't have the option for an indicator to show data here on a main chart as well as in a new pane, but there is a workaround. It's not ideal, but it'll work. So what we're going to do is click on the indicator in the upper left. We're going to choose the option to copy. We'll do a right click and then paste. And once this indicator is shown here, go into the option right there and choose New Pane above. At this point, you can see all the data is duplicated in both windows. So what we need to do is go through the indicator up here on top and turn off everything that's relevant to showing data on either the daily or the weekly chart. We'll leave the RS line information on and the moving averages. All the other features, we're just going to go through here and turn all these off. It takes just a minute. And one last option. And at this point, you can see now we have the relative strength line up here. And we can go to the main chart and turn off the RS line data right there. So there you have it. So on the main chart, we've got all the other data. Up here, we have the relative strength line. So if we swap over to a daily chart, it works in either one of the time frames. I hope you found that helpful. I appreciate your support, and we'll see you in the next video.